Hello, educators. Welcome to another learning adventure with Teacher Randy. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for effective instruction, the 7 E's lesson plan model. We'll explore how it works and apply it to teaching students. For our sample today, we'll take it from a third quarter lesson of grade 10, The Art of Informative, Persuasive, and Argumentative Writing. Let's get started. The 7 E's model ensures a structured, a student-centered learning process, moving through stages that engage students, build mastery, and connect lessons to real-world applications. Take note, we assigned the 7 E's to the structure of the daily lesson log prescribed by the Department of Education by virtue of Depth Order number 42, series of 2016. Please follow the preliminary parts of the lesson before diving into the lesson procedures. First is reviewing previous lesson or presenting the new lesson, which belongs to Elicit. The first E. This step is designed to activate prior knowledge and uncover students' existing understanding or misconceptions. It sets the foundation for the new lesson by connecting to what students already know. In this lesson, the teacher reviews previous topics on communication elements and elicits students' understanding of tone and purpose in writing. This prepares them for a deeper exploration of writing techniques. B is establishing a purpose for the lesson, which belongs to engage. This step captures students' interest, motivates them, and makes the lesson personally relevant. The aim is to hook students emotionally or intellectually, sparking curiosity about the topic. In this lesson, the teacher uses a video of a social media influencer to engage students, encouraging them to identify the purpose and techniques used in the speech. This activity piques their interest and connects the lesson to real life scenarios. Letter C is presenting examples or instances of the new lesson, which still belongs to engage. Here, the focus is still on engaging students, but now through examples that illustrate the new concept. It reinforces their curiosity and starts building clarity on the topic. In this lesson, the teacher presents three paragraphs: informative, persuasive, and argumentative, and guides students in analyzing their differences. These examples serve as a bridge between prior knowledge and new learning. D is discussing new concepts and practicing new skills, number one, which is explore. In this step, students actively investigate and interact with a new concept through hands-on or collaborative activities. It encourages inquiry and deeper understanding. In this lesson, students work in groups to craft paragraphs using one of the three writing techniques. This exploratory activity helps them engage with the writing process and fosters collaboration. Letter E is discussing new concepts and practicing new skills. Number two, still and explore. This second explore activity provides more opportunities for independent and guided practice. This step ensures students can apply their learning in varied contexts. In this lesson, students individually write paragraphs based on prompts, applying all three techniques. Peer feedback reinforces learning and improves their writing skills. F is developing mastery. It belongs to explain. This step focuses on clarifying concepts, consolidating understanding, and addressing misconceptions. The teacher provides explicit instruction and guidance to deepen mastery. In this lesson, the teacher uses a graphic organizer to summarize the three techniques, facilitating a clear understanding of their purpose, structure, and use. Students discuss examples to further solidify their knowledge. G is finding practical applications of concepts and skills in daily living, which belongs to elaborate. This step extends learning by encouraging students to apply concepts in real world or meaningful contexts. It emphasizes the relevance of the lesson beyond the classroom. In this lesson, students brainstorm practical applications of the three writing techniques in various fields, like journalism, marketing, debates. This step helps them to see how these skills are useful in their personal and even in their professional lives. H is making generalizations and abstractions, which belongs to elaborate. The second elaborate phase focuses on abstracting the learned concepts and drawing conclusions. This step strengthens the understanding of how the parts fit into a cohesive whole. In this lesson, students summarize key points about the purpose and use of the three techniques. The teacher ensures they can generalize the concepts of new situations, emphasizing the flexibility of these writing skills. I is evaluating learning. That belongs to evaluate. This step assesses students' understanding, progress, and ability to meet the learning objectives. It helps to identify areas for improvement or mastery. In this lesson, students complete a writing task. Example, creating a short essay incorporating all three techniques. The teacher uses a rubric to assess the work and provide constructive feedback. Letter J is the last phase, which is additional activities for application or remediation. This, belo- this belongs to the last E, extend. This step reinforces and extends learning, allowing students to apply skills in new or challenging contexts. It also provides remediation for those who need additional support. In this lesson, students are tasked with writing a blog post or a persuasive letter on a relevant issue, applying what they have learned. This encourages creativity and real world application, ensuring the lesson's lasting impact. I hope you have learned something today. The crafting of an effective lesson plan using the 7 E's model, following the format of a daily lesson log prescribed by the Department of Education by virtue of DEP and Order number 42, series of 2016. Have a great day. Keep learning. This is Teacher Randy.